Now let us focus on building part 2 of our project. So we will learn additional features, or we will use additional features in Lightning Web Component. We did use @API decorator. We did use custom events to transfer data from one component to another component in part 1. In this part 2, we will use messaging channels to transfer data from one component to another component. We will also use third-party libraries, a JavaScript library to plot a map in our Lightning Web component. We will also use additional base components to get directly data from the database. Other than that, pretty much, we did use CSS framework and nested components back in part 1. We'll continue, doing the same design. So this is how the part two, will look like, right? So we're going to focus on building these components, the highlighted ones. So the one that is going to show details about a particular partner, the selected partner, and then it also helps you to show or see a map of the partner point of contact, so the primary point of contact's location. So if I just pass the coordinates, it will just place that coordinates, or plot that coordinates on the map, and also an option to enter sales team reviews, right? You will also see how we can use flow in Lightning Web Component to capture this data. So launching a flow from Lightning Web Component, and this is the design. So you will have a few components created. One is the master component, one is the container component, inside which we will have two child components, partner detail, and this is what the partner detail is, to show data about a particular partner. And then this one will show all the reviews made by the sales team about the partner, right? We will also have another component to show the map, partner contact location. So before we get our hands dirty, let's quickly take a look at the working version. So as you can just see, so I have a list of all the partners. So let's say I just choose a particular partner, and what I see on the right is all the details about the partner, right? The active pipeline, contract start date, end date, and I have an option to see the partner contact location, option to see, or option to enter review, review about this particular partner. So if there is already a review, this is how it will look like. It tells how the business quality, the partner's quality is, how the partner quality is, and also it talks about the rating. It also talks about the overall feedback about the partner. Yeah. So on click a partner contact location, it will just give me the exact coordinates, or it just plots the exact coordinates on the map. So that's how that's how this partner contact location or location card will work. So let's start building this. Yeah. So let me first close this one so that we can focus on building the component now. So back in our code, so we do have the skeleton or the base component, or the components ready. So we have the partner details container which is empty now. Let us start building this one. Yeah. So to start with, I'm gonna have this partner details container, and then I'll just simply add the child components. So this is my child component 1, and I'll have two components, child component 1 and child component 2. So the first component is C hyphen, the name of the component is partner detail, isn't it? So let me copy this. Let me put it right here, and let's follow the kebab case. Yeah, that's it. This is my first component. Let's follow the same for the second component. So which is view partner review. Let's copy this one. All right, let's follow the kebab case. So let's use hyphen between each word and also follow lowercase. That is it. My second component is also done. So this is a simple change, right? Now let's focus on building the partner detail. Yeah. So let's go to the partner detail, and So we need to have two sections, right? One is to show partner detail. The other one is show partner POC location on the map. Yeah. So for which we do have another component called partner contact location. So we will build the we'll build the partner contact location shortly. First, let's put that in the placeholder. Let's follow the kebab case. Good. So this is also completed now. So what we can do is to further build the partner data, let me introduce a lightning card. Let me also give a title. I'll just say this is a partner detail. Yeah. It to implement. All right. So now we made changes, right? In couple of components, partner details and partner detail. Let's try to deploy both. While it's getting deployed, let's go back to the org. Let's launch the application. All right. So successfully deployed. Now let's bring the components to the page. Settings. My bad. Let me just go to settings again and then click on edit page. All right. Let me just cross check if I exposed this component or not, the partner details container. Otherwise, let's make a quick change. No, this is not exposed. So let's make it is exposed to true, and then let's also ensure the targets are set. I would like to use this only in the app page, Lightning app page. So let me first redeploy this. Let us go back because I don't find this component right here, right in the custom components list because it was not exposed. So now let's try to expose this. Is it done? Yes. Let's refresh the page. And let's edit. Let's quickly see. Yes, I can just see partner details container. Let's bring partner details container right into this section. So now this is working perfectly fine. Yeah. So let's further build this. Perfect. So we can just start implementing partner detail now.